How to cancel Spotify Premium on iPhone. To cancel your Spotify Premium subscription on your iPhone, first open the Spotify app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now tap on the home icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon which looks like a gear. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on account. This will take you to your account settings. Now tap on subscription or manage subscription depending on your app version. Here, you'll see your current subscription details, including your Spotify Premium plan. To cancel your subscription, tap on Change Plan or Cancel Premium. You might be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Just tap on Continue or Cancel Subscription to confirm. After canceling Spotify Premium, you will retain premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.